Hi guys, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you guys a new iron by Oliso. So they have created a mini project iron for us. Crafters, so I'm super excited about it. So if anybody knows Oliso, you know that their irons are absolutely amazing. So for them to create a project iron, I was stoked about it. So I've already played around with this a little bit and I absolutely adore it. I've used it on shoes so far, a hat, 2 different hats I think, and I actually did another hand towel. So today, I thought I would show you a quick video just doing some iron on, just to kind of show you really quick. But I thought I would go ahead and talk about it a little bit and kind of explain what this new mini iron's about. I'm going to have it linked down below, but I believe it's $69, and you could get it in pink or yellow. So this is what the box looks like. This is what it's going to look like when you get the box, and it says M2 Pro. It's reinvented for the sewing, quilting, and crafting. It's 1,000 watts. It's universal voltage, so what's really cool about this is right here on the side, hopefully you guys will be able to pick this up. You guys can change, I know my light's glaring off it really bad. You guys can change it from 120 volt to 220, 240. So that's really cool. So whenever you're traveling, this is going to work great for you traveling anywhere. It's going to be great to fit in your bag. This one right here, it has a really, let me bring it up really quick. Bring my cord up before I plug it in. So the cord is mega long. I have not measured it yet, but it's really long, which makes it awesome. So in case your project's way away from your plug-in, you do got a ways to work with. It does have the swivel cord on the back, which works out really great for us. And then it's got a silicone sole plate. So what's really cool is they're calling it Soulmate. I absolutely love that. It's really cute. So the way that this Soulmate works is you have the storage side, looks just like this, and it'll say storage side. So it just slips on in there just like so, and you can hang it. So for me, I have like the pegboard system from IKEA, and you can just hang it on the pegboard just like this, and your cord will perfectly wrap all the way around like this to store. So that makes it really nice. All right, now when you're working with your iron, you're going to flip it over to the side that says the resting side, and you'll set that down, and that way while you're working you have a mat to set that on. Another really cool feature is their diamond plate. They have a really nice diamond plate on the bottom. Super nice. I really like it. They have a really nice point on this one, so I really like that as well. This is where your fill line is, so you fill your tank right here, so on the top. You just fill it up right here, and you'll be able to see that water in here. Now right here's your steam. You'll just squeeze these buttons here, and you'll have that steam. The steam is really nice. I've played with that. I have some sewing projects coming up really quick, and I'll bring it in when I do those sewing projects, and you'll get to see that steam here pretty quickly. So your dial to turn this on and off is right here. So right now we have it on off. You're just going to rotate it. You have the first dot. You may not be able to see it because of the glare, but there is a dot there, and that one is low temp, which is for synthetic. And then you have 2 dots, and that's medium temp, and that is wool and silk. Then you have 3 dots, that's high temp, and it's linen and cotton. That's what we're going to be using today, is the 3 dots for the iron-on project. So that's what I recommend. They have a 3-year warranty, and then I want to show you really quick. It comes with your user manual like this, and it's really, really nice. Anybody will be able to just pull this out of the box and know how to use it. So they talk about all of their stuff here, you know, where you could change your voltage settings, how to fill the tank. It just kind of tells you, you know, showing you what each thing is here. And then as you flip through, you're going to see simple start. It's going to show you how to fill it up, how to use the sole plate, all those kind of things there. But this one right here is really cool because it's going to show you the fabric selector. So it's going to tell you, you know, what the 3 dots means for all that, and then your status light. So to know if this is ready to go, this right here, this is where the light is. So you guys can't see it right now, but that's where your light will come through. So whenever that is solid, it's ready to go. And to be able to use your steam, it has to be on setting 2 or 3. And then you have 1 press burst steam, so just 1 press it'll burst. Horizontal burst, press steam buttons in for a strong burst. It's just got some really cool information in here. So like I said, their user manual is really nice as well. And then they talk about the extra smooth sole plate. It says it's easy to clean, durable, scratch resistant, extra flat pressing area, which is awesome for iron on, and then powerful steam. All right, so let's set that guy out of the way and let's get it plugged in. So I have this heating up currently, and right now there is no light. So as soon as that turns solid, which it just did while I was showing you guys, so it turned solid. Hopefully you guys can see that now. So now it's ready to go. It really heats up super, super fast. So let's go ahead and make a project. It'll be great for those really small projects on your shoes, little monograms on backpacks, adding jewels to things. It's going to be really great for a lot of things in our craft room. Not to mention sewing little zipper pouches, working with paper piecing, all of those things. So this one's going to be cool because it's going to be a layering project, so it's going to kind of show that as well. So let's go ahead and start with Teaching is My Jam. If you guys want to make this, I have the file ready for you. It'll be linked down below. Alright, so this will make a great teacher gift. So I've got this ready to go. I'm using the Cricut Easy Press mat. Those will be perfect to use for this. This is the small one. Alright, so I'm ready to go. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get half and half. So I'm going to get this side first and then get the other side. I want to mention this because I've used this previously. You want to give it a little bit of pressure, by the way. I'm trying to find it. I actually have a timer somewhere around here. We'll do it on the next one. Hopefully I can find it by then. So what you want to do is 20 seconds for each piece. So 20 seconds here, 20 seconds there. When you're working with glitter, just bump it up to 30 seconds. But just get you a little timer. That way you kind of know when 20 seconds is there. So I'm going to go ahead and scoot this over and get the other half. All right, looks good. So I'm going to go ahead and let this cool down for just a second. It's a warm pill, and then we'll pill it. So in the meantime, I'm going to run around and find my timer. So I found it. So while we're waiting for that to cool down just a little bit more, I'm going to go ahead and get this going. So this one here, back it up. Oops. Now you could get these at the Dollar Tree, Walmart, wherever. You can even use your phone timer if you wanted to. So you're just going to get it to see. Hopefully you guys can see that. 20 seconds. All right, so hopefully you guys can see that. 20 seconds, and then I'll just hit the start button. So this is ready to pill. So I'm going to go ahead and pill that up. And that went in there really well. I'm going to pull that up to show you. So hopefully you guys can see where the fabric has went into the iron-on. So that shows you that this is going to be really great. This iron, this is the first travel mini iron that I've ever seen get this warm. So it is the nicest mini iron that I've ever seen, ever. So let's go ahead and work on our next layer. So I'm going to go ahead and get down my piece of toast here. So this is my crust. Peel off the other two pieces. All right. Now what I'm going to do is do half and half. Now to protect this top part here, I'm just going to put my Teflon sheet up there to protect it. You could cover the whole thing, but I'm not going to do that at this point. So just so you guys can see real quick. So what I'm going to do is get my iron on here, and I'm going to take my timer and hit go. So I'm going to go ahead and come on the other side and hit go. So okay, so my timer quit working. So that's not a good example, but anyways, get you a nice timer, use your phone, something like that, but it'll help you know 20 seconds. I've been doing this long enough that I pretty much kind of know what 20 seconds is, and you may already be at that point as well. All right, so once again, warm pill is warm pill, so you want to let it cool down just a little bit. If you ever notice that when you go to peel this off that it's not sticking, you're probably peeling it too hot. So let it cool down just a little bit. Sometimes you could fan it like this. I think this is probably cooled down enough. So I'm going to go ahead and peel that layer off. We're going to get ready for our next layer. Now some that you're working on, you're probably going to fit underneath. So this one will probably get under one shot. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and get this on here. Now this time I'm going to cover this with the Teflon sheet just to protect my material, if that makes sense. My iron-on, my material, whatever you want to call it. It's just going to protect that so we don't scorch it or anything like that. All right, now I want to show you guys will see me kind of push it down here. It's just natural from like the easy press and stuff. So you can simply just hold it down here. You can do whatever you want to do, but you can really just hold it. But like I said, it's out of habit stuff. Let this cool down once again. You want to do a warm pill. All right, go ahead and peel this off. All right, so our last layer is going to be the glitter. I'm going to go ahead and get that in there where it goes. All right, see, I'm happy with that. Now I'm going to go ahead and get this covered once again, and we don't need to change. It's just on hot. I'm going to go ahead and cover all of my glitter and go for 30 seconds this time. And make sure when you're working with these that you're giving it a little bit of pressure. I'm not giving it a ton of pressure, but I'm giving it enough pressure to make sure that it's going to stay. So like, I'm not like working hard, if that makes sense. Just giving it a little bit of pressure. All right, move that out of our way. Let that cool down for just a second. There we go. All right, there you have it. Super cute hand towel to give to the teachers. You can see how that jelly is sparkling. Look how cute that layer is. But you can see how nice that worked with the fabric. This is an amazing iron. It's definitely an awesome addition. So for me, for example, I own the mini easy press, the medium, and the large, and this is my tiny one. It's pretty cool because it has a really nice plate on it as well, and it's just going to work right along with that line of easy presses for me. So like I said, this is going to be great for when I'm working on shoes, just little mini projects like this. I wanted to show you guys how great it worked with iron-on because like I said, once again, you know I work with a lot of iron-on, sublimation, infusible ink, things like that. I'm going to obviously work with some of those things. So, like I said, I will have some sewing tutorials coming up very soon with this guy, so stay tuned. Once I do, I'll try to have it linked down below just in case you're watching this from a year from now. I may have more videos linked down below or a whole playlist. But like I said, there it is. Turned out really great. This is going to make a great teacher gift. Also, these towels that I'm using today are flour sack towels. You could get them like, they come in a package like this, package of 5 from Walmart for like $5. You can get a package of, I'm trying to think, 10 of them for $8. So you could actually get bigger packages as well. So check that out. Absolutely love it. Highly recommend it. It has an A+ for me. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like button down below and subscribe. And I'll see you on the next one.